Good morning. This is Sheshachalam from Astroguide Mysore. In continuation with the malefic combination of Saturn and Rahu, I would want to explain the position of the fifth house. The fifth house represents progeny, creativity, thought process, imagination. Progeny as it's the Putra Karaka. Putra here does not mean anything with regard to the gender or the male or the female. Here it is Santhana Bhaga, Santhana Bhava, where it is with regard to progeny. And the fifth house, another major character of the fifth house is education. Here the education is somewhere in between the intermediate and the that is the undergraduate. So, and also a little bit further than that, like a person finishing his MBBS or finishing his engineering or finishing his diploma and then or a degree and a diploma, something like that. So let us say it is from +2 to further for another 5 years. So this particular combination of Saturn and Rahu in the fifth house is an excellent combination if Saturn is exalted and a little away from Rahu, or if Rahu is in its own house, that is Kumbha, and Saturn is placed a little away from it. But if both Saturn and Rahu are together, a person loses his patience. The native loses his patience because Saturn personifies patience. So, for education, urgency and hurrying nature, like an attention deficiency, would not suffice, because we have seen today toward in these particular day-to-day activity that people who are having too much of attention deficiency, that is they get distracted too early, they will not be able to stick to a particular point and finish it. So that the problem of finishing something would be a difficulty if there is Saturn and Rahu both placed in the fifth house. Saturn, though it doesn't deny, it will delay a little bit of the process. Like for example, the progeny can get delayed. The education, further continuation of education might get broken. There might be a delay in that. Like a person might finish his undergraduation, like a BSc or a BCom or a BA or something like that, and then wishes to continue the masters, but because of many situations in life, variety of situations, like getting married, like getting unsettled, or suddenly have to earn more or something like that to substantiate the family. So the placement of Saturn and Rahu is not considered such a great position in the fifth house until and unless Saturn and Rahu both are benefic, or Rahu might be a little far away from Saturn, let's say around 10 to 12 degrees away from Saturn, and Saturn is extremely strongly posited in the chart. So, whenever we are seeing malefic combinations, we need to see the proximity of the planets when they are associated with each other. So, the fifth house is imagination. So, when Saturn and Rahu are together, there will be difficulty in imagining things. People will tend to be more towards more gross in level, like it is to be explained in the next level of chakras, like whether a person is sensitive, whether a person is sensible, whether a person has common sense, or if a person is as good as not being able to understand the nuances of life. So, Saturn and Rahu dampen the activity of a person, dampen the thought process of a person, and hence it is not such a great combination in the fifth house, if not benefic. Thank you.